Sasha, FashionomicalStyle.com. Today we're talking about this Alexander Wang dress that fits phenomenally. You wouldn't believe that I found this. I mean, you would if you follow the Alexander Wang by H&M collection, but I was fortunate enough to happen upon the collection at the Fifth Avenue store in New York City, and I was able to purchase this. FashionomicalStyle.com, AW, Alexander Wang, gotta love this outfit. Really, it's so amazing. I mean, the whole process of shopping the Alexander Wang collection at the Fifth Avenue H&M store in New York was absolutely phenomenal. I mean, you had to wait in line for 30 minutes, which I heard was actually not that long of a time. And then you had 15 minutes to find everything you wanted to find within the section. Then you had to take all that stuff to the change room, and if something didn't fit, you had to get back in that lineup and try to get something else. It was absolutely crazy, pandemonium, nuts, but I'm so fortunate that I was able to find this dress because honestly, I feel so sexy right now.
Mid-lane shoes is Alexander Wang, and her shirt the newest Donna Karen.